is going on, everybody? My name is Cabale, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the top reasons you should continue to do email marketing in 2024. Today, we're going to talk about a few different things, but the reasons you should stay with email marketing in 2024 are probably reasons you have heard before. It's a vital tool. You should always have it, and it's not rented real estate. There's a high return on investment. Now, this number has changed from time to time, anywhere from $36 to $42 per dollar spent. You're not going to get that off social media. You're not going to get that off paid advertising. It's worth noting that the ROI of each business differs. It's industry dependent. Always take these numbers with a grain of salt. Having a direct communication channel, it allows businesses to communicate directly with the audience, delivering personalized messages straight to the inbox of potential or current customers. So keep that in mind, direct communication always. Personalization and segmentation. Advanced tools and data analytics enable businesses to segment to their audience. So, for example, customers who haven't opened email in the last 90 days, customers who have an average order value of a certain amount. You want to make sure you're sending the right message to the right audience at the right time. Segmenting really helps with that. Increase customer retention. Regular targeted email communications can help businesses build and maintain relationships with their customers, encouraging repeat business and customer loyalty. Email marketing is extremely scalable, meaning for a low cost, it allows larger businesses to reach a broader audience. Email marketing has measurable results. You have enough tools to be able to move to the next step. You have everything from open rate, click-through rate, conversions, or ROI, and many more. So when you're ready to take your business to the next step, you have all these KPIs to bring you there. Integration with other marketing tools. So this is where social media plays in. You can use email marketing with social media, with paid ads, for an overall marketing growth strategy. Automation opportunities. You have everything from dead cards, customer behavior, welcome series, win back series. There are so many options that can help you grow your business by having these automations in place, saving you money and saving you time where you don't have to keep doing repeated processes. That's where an automation comes into play. Automation tools allow for scheduling of targeted campaigns, automated responses, and triggered emails, really based on customer actions, saving time and resources and increasing efficiency. Email marketing strategies can be quickly adapted to meet changing market trends and consumer preferences. So it always ensures that your business remains competitive and responsive. In 2024 and all other years, email marketing is indispensable. So if you want to connect with your audience on a deeper level, this is for sure by far the best way to do it. In any event, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me down at the address below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.